Good morning, students. Welcome to our school online classes. In yesterday class, we completed first exercise polynomials. Now, this session we are going to discuss about a coordinate geometry. New chapter and one of the new chapter and one of the important and interesting chapter in 9th standard. To study coordinate geometry, it is definitely helpful for 10th standard also. Because 10th standard is also one of the chapter name is called coordinate geometry. If you study properly in 9th standard, it will definitely help you in 10th standard. For this reason, we have to learn the basic concept of coordinate geometry, basic things of coordinate geometry. Okay. First, so what is the use of coordinate geometry? What is the use? Why we have to study coordinate geometry? Keep in mind, students, coordinate geometry is the one of the tool. It is the one of the tool to study geometry with the help of algebraic part. With the help of algebraic part. With the help of algebraic part. Coordinate geometry. Why we have to study coordinate geometry? Keep in mind, students, why we have to study coordinate geometry? It is helps to study geometry using algebra. Using algebra. To study coordinate geometry, it is help us to study geometry using algebra and understand algebra with the help of geometry. To understand algebra with the help of geometry. With the help of geometry. Okay. Okay. Before going to start a coordinate geometry, first we have to study basic things. Okay. All of you know how to locate the point on a line. All of you know in 8th standard, I think you are learned how to locate the point on line. Okay. 0, positive and here negative. Locate point at 3. It is 3. Minus 3 is here. 0 here. Okay. All of you know how to locate the point. Again here also plus 2 means is here. Minus 3 means is here. Plus minus 4 means is here. Plus 1 means here. 0 is here only. Okay. How to locate the point and start a straight line, you know already, you know. Okay. This is also straight line, this is also straight line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. For this straight line and this straight line, to locate one point, it is very easy. Sir, how we can locate? It is very easy. If we have to locate the position of plus 3, is the position of plus. Here is the position of plus 3 is here. Yes, plus 3. Then what is the position of minus 2 in this straight line? Minus 2 is here. Here is also minus 2. And 0. Here is 0. Here is 0. Okay. Here is 0. How to locate, you know already. Okay. But in this coordinate geometry, we are going to study and we are going to learn about both the lines. Both the lines will intersect each other. This line and this line will intersect each other at O. Each other at O. Each other at O. Both the lines in this coordinate geometry, we are going to learn about the both lines will intersect at 0. Both lines will intersect at 0. After intersecting both the lines, then it becomes Cartesian plane. It becomes Cartesian plane. It becomes Cartesian plane. It becomes Cartesian plane. Okay, students, now we have studied about the Cartesian plane. Now it is considered as it is x, it is x dash, it is y, it is y dash. The center point intersecting point of both the line is 0. Here x axis will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. X dash nothing but -1 -2 -3. Here y means positive 1 2 3 4. Y dash nothing but -1 -2 -3 -4. -1 -2 -3 -4. Okay, -1 -2 -3. This is considered as coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. It is considered as coordinate geometry. Sorry, it is Cartesian plane. In coordinate geometry, we are going to learn about the Cartesian plane. Things of basic concept of coordinate. Basic concept of Cartesian plane. Okay, coordinate geometry is Cartesian plane. This Cartesian plane is considered as this first position is called first quadrant. It is called first quadrant. It is called first quadrant. First quadrant. It is second quadrant. It is second quadrant. It is third quadrant. It is fourth quadrant. In Cartesian plane, we have how many quadrants? 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clockwise, not anti-clockwise. Okay. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Here in first quadrant axis are in first quadrant it is x, it is y. Second quadrant x dash y. Third quadrant x dash y dash. Fourth quadrant x and y dash. X and y dash. X and y dash. Sir, how we can locate the points at keep before going to step about the locating points? We have to learn some basic information of this Cartesian plane. Okay. Now this y dash line, this y dash line, and another x dash line. Both lines are there. Here we have two straight lines, y dash, x dash. Okay. Both lines will intersect at O. That intersecting point is called origin. This intersecting point is called origin. This intersecting position is called origin. Then this y dash line, it means y dash, this straight line, it is vertical and it is vertical line, and x dash it is horizontal line. Horizontal line. In Cartesian plane, the vertical line is considered as y-axis. Vertical line is considered as y-axis, and the horizontal line is considered as x-axis. In Cartesian plane, vertical line is considered as y-axis. Horizontal line is considered as x-axis. Horizontal line is considered as axis, and both axis and x-axis, y-axis, x dash y dash, x-axis and y-axis, both lines will intersect at the that intersecting point is called origin. That intersecting position is called origin. X-axis and y-axis, here x dash and y dash. Always dashes are negative. X dash nothing but negative values. Y dash nothing but negative values. X x dash nothing but x dash nothing but x axis negative values, y dash nothing but y axis negative values. X dash nothing but x axis negative values, y dash nothing but y axis negative value. Keep in your mind, students. X dash means x axis negative values, y dash nothing but y axis negative values. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅದ x dash ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. x axis ಅಲ್ಲಿ x axis values ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ x dash ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. In y axis have value to the y dash value, that value becomes negative. That value becomes negative. That value becomes negative. X dash y dash x dash y dash x dash y dash. Okay. Okay. Now this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, this is fourth quadrant. Here first quadrant. In Cartesian plane, always we should represent x-axis value first. Always we should represent x-axis values first. Here x and y. Second quadrant always x. Second quadrant x dash, here y. Third quadrant x dash y dash. Fourth quadrant x and y dash. X and y dash. First quadrant x, always in Cartesian plane we should represent x-axis value first. This is x-axis, it is y-axis, x, y. Second quadrant x dash y. Third quadrant x dash y dash. Fourth quadrant x and y dash. X and y always positive here. Always positive here. X dash value, x dash means it is the negative value of x-axis. It means it is negative. Y means it is positive. Here x means negative, y dash means the value, y value negative part, means it is also minus. X value is positive, here negative. It means in first quadrant both values are positive. What it indicates? Both values are positive. Second quadrant x-axis value is negative, y-axis value is positive. In third quadrant x-axis value is also negative, y-axis value is also negative. Fourth quadrant x-axis value is positive and y-axis value is negative. Y dash nothing but y-axis, x dash nothing but x-axis. Y-axis is considered as vertical, x-axis considered as horizontal. Both will intersect each other at that position is called origin. Cartesian plane having how many quadrants? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many quadrants? 4 quadrants. How many quadrants? 4 quadrants. Now, in first quadrant both are positive. Second quadrant negative, positive. Always x-axis value first. Here third quadrant negative, negative. Fourth quadrant plus and negative. This is horizontal, this is vertical. It is origin. It is B point, it is C point, it is D point. It is A point, it is B point, it is C point, it is the D point. Okay. Here A point in a first quadrant, B point, position of B point is second quadrant, position of C is third quadrant, position of D is the fourth quadrant. Okay. Here A point, according to these axes, according to x-axis and y-axis, what is the exact position of A? Now this A, according to x-axis, the position of the point x-axis is A. Here according to y-axis, here is also y. Therefore the here position of the A is here according to x-axis and y-axis. Again position of B according to x-axis, according to y-axis. Now the position of C according to x-axis and y-axis. Now D according to x-axis and according to y-axis. According to x-axis and according to y-axis. Now here according to according to x-axis, what is the value of A here? According to x-axis, what is the value of A here? 3. According to y-axis, what is the value of A here? The position of A is here also 3, 3. Now according to x-axis, what is the value of B? -1. What is the value of y? +1. According to x-axis, what is the value of C here? -4. Y-axis value is also -4. Y-axis value is also -4. Now, what is the D value? According to x-axis, D value is 3, and x-axis value is D value. X-axis value is 3, and y-axis value is -2. Y-axis value is -2. Therefore, both are positive means first quadrant. Negative positive means second quadrant. Both are negative means third quadrant. Positive negative means it is fourth quadrant. Therefore, the coordinates, now these three threes as coordinates of A point. Coordinates of A points. Then the coordinates of B are -1, +1. The coordinates of C are -4, -4. The coordinates of D are -3, -2. 3, -2. It means always in coordinate geometry, these A coordinates are 3, 3 means always first position is considered as x-axis, second position is considered as y-axis. First position is considered as x-axis, second position is considered as y-axis. The first position is x-axis, second position is y-axis. First position is x-axis, second position is y-axis. Then the position of first x-axis value is considered as abscissa. It is considered as abscissa. It is considered as abscissa. Then y-axis value is called ordinate. It is called ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate. The position of x-axis is called abscissa. The position of y-axis is called ordinate. It is abscissa, ordinate, abscissa, ordinate, abscissa, ordinate, abscissa. Or the x-axis value is considered as abscissa. Y-axis value is called ordinate. Y-axis value is called ordinate. Another one very important point. Always the coordinates of origin are 0, 0. This is very important point. Always the coordinates of origin, x-axis value is also 0, y-axis value is also 0. It means that in origin, abscissa also is 0, ordinate is also 0. Abscissa is also 0, ordinate is also 0. Ordinate is also 0. Abscissa, ordinate, abscissa, ordinate, abscissa, ordinate, abscissa, ordinate, abscissa, ordinate. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. This is considered as Cartesian plane. In Cartesian plane, we have how many quadrants? 4 quadrants. First one, second one, third one, and fourth one. First quadrant, both abscissa and ordinate, both are positive. In second quadrant, abscissa is negative, ordinate is positive. In third quadrant, both abscissa and ordinate are negative. In fourth quadrant, abscissa is positive, ordinate is negative. Ordinate is negative. First x-axis always x-axis value first, y-axis value second, x-axis value is all. Abscissa is considered as ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate. Okay, dear students, now this one is your classroom. This is your classroom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 tables is there. Okay. It means Now AB is horizontal, AB is here the position of the teacher, it is the position of students. It is the position of teachers, position of students. Here AB is horizontal, CA or AC is vertical. It means AB it is x-axis, AC is y-axis. AC is y-axis. Nothing but this straight line belongs to also y-axis. This straight line belongs to also y-axis. This straight line belongs to also y-axis. Then AC, it is x-axis. Sorry, it is y-axis. It is sorry. It is the position is belongs to x-axis. It is also position belongs to x-axis. This position is belongs to x-axis because AB is a horizontal. This is also horizontal. Sorry, horizontal. X-axis, x-axis, x-axis. Then vertical, AC vertical. This is also vertical. This is also vertical. This is also vertical. Then the position of the student is here. Okay. Here is teacher. It is your position. You have to assume this is the teacher position. It is your position. Teacher is here. Okay. Teacher is here. Then it is 0, 1, 2, 3. It is 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Teacher is here. 1, 2. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The student position is here. Teacher position is here. Teacher position x-axis. Student position is y-axis. According here. Now it is vertical. It is horizontal. Then here, what is the position of the student? What is the position of the student? Here you see student position according to x-axis. According to x-axis, the teacher student position is 1. According to y-axis, student position is 2. Here the student position according to x-axis, the teacher position is 1. According to y-axis, the student position is 2. Okay. Then teacher, what is the teacher position here? According to x-axis, teacher position is 2. According to x-axis, teacher position is 2. Then what is the according to y-axis? What is the teacher position? Is here. Means it is 0. It is 0 because here y-axis value is how much? Here x-axis value is 2. What is the y-axis value? It is 1, 3, 2, 1. Here y-axis value is here. Means it is 0. Therefore, according to this Cartesian plane, the position of student is 1, 2. The position of teacher is 2, 0. Which is x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, this is considered as one table. Okay, just assume here 0, 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 50 centimeter. Now this is the position of the textbook. This is the position of the textbook. Now it is a table. It is the position of the table. So book. Sorry, this book table is. Okay. Then what is the position of the book? We have to assume what is the position of the book. Okay. We have to locate the position of the book on Cartesian plane. You have to understand, means it is x-axis, it is y-axis. In coordinate geometry, we should represent the position according to with the help of coordinates only. In geometry, we have to locate the position of any point with the help of coordinates. With the help of coordinates, x-axis and y-axis. We have to locate the position of any point on Cartesian plane with the help of x-axis and with the help of y-axis. With the help of x-axis and with the help of y-axis. Now, the position according to x-axis, it is horizontal, x-axis, vertical, y-axis. The position is 20. It is the 20 centimeter. The distance between this position and book is how much? 20 centimeter. Now it is the position is like this. Here it is 30. It is 30. It is 30. It is 20. Therefore, position of the book is like this. Then what is the position of the book is considered as P. According to x-axis it is 20. According to y-axis it is 30. Therefore, position of a book is how much? 20 and 30. It is x-axis. It is y-axis. It is x-axis. It is y-axis. It is because 20 centimeter it is 30 centimeter. It is 20 centimeter. It is 30 centimeter. From x-axis, from origin to the position of the book according to x-axis, from the origin is how much? 20 centimeter. From the origin is how much? 20 centimeter. Then the position of the book from the origin according to y-axis is how much? 30 centimeter. Therefore, position of the book is 20, 30, nothing but it is considered as P, 20 and 30, x-axis, y-axis, axis and ordinate, axis and ordinate. Okay, here is also there. Here is also, we can draw a straight line, we can also draw a straight line, we can also draw a straight line. Here is also. Then it is also, here is also, here is also. We can draw. Okay. Both are positive. Here all are positive means it is first quadrant. All are positive means it is first quadrant. Then what is the position of this point? Here is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L is already considered as P, M, N, O is given Q, R, S, T. Okay. Then what is the position of M here? What is the position of M? It is 30 and 30. 30 and 30. What is the position of R? Always we should represent x-axis. R position 20, 40. What is the position of Q? X-axis value is 10, 40. What is the value of T here? 40 and 40. What is the position of D? D position x-axis value is 30, y-axis value is 10. What is the value of C? X-axis value is 10, y-axis value is 10 like this. We have to represent, we have to locate the points on Cartesian plane with respect to x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis. We should represent x-axis value is always 1. Okay. Now it is considered as horizontal. It is vertical. It is also horizontal. It is also vertical. Horizontal, 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 vertical, 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 and is considered as y-axis. Horizontal is considered as x-axis. Both will intersect each other. It is considered as origin. Considered as origin. Now both will intersect each other. O, which is considered as O. For this one, it is considered as O. Just assume. Okay. Okay. The one task is for you. Tomorrow, everyone should write question number 1 and question number 2. Exercise 9.1, question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು half page place. Question number 2 is your class. It is your task. Question number 1 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು half page ಬಿಡಿ. Second question number 2 ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾಳೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಯ ಬೇರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬೇರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Before going to start exercise, your task is write down first question and half page place ಬಿಡಬೇಕು and also second question. Okay.